Good morning, friends. This is Abhishek Raj once again in the Daily Dossier, sharing what all would be influencing equity markets today. Well, first of all, happy Janmashtami to all of you. So let's quickly take a look at what all is going to happen in today's session and how you should be preparing yourself. Number one, fund flow. FIIs have bought approximately 300 crores. DII sold around 500 crores. Index future, not a major change, just a buying of 24 crores. Stock futures FII sold about 650 crores. Index options were purchased. In yesterday's session, Nifty opened gap up. However, the intraday highs of approximately 11,350 were not sustained, and it fell around the opening prices. That made a kind of gravestone doji chart pattern. Now, what is gravestone doji? I'll make a separate video on the doji. It's a very important thing to know for traders, so I'll be sharing all in and out of doji candles. Anyways, now taking a look at the F&O situations, we have Nifty August futures losing a little bit of premiums and closing positive with 50 odd points approximately. Banknifty futures shed open interest. Both Nifty and Banknifty shed little bit of open interest. Some profit bookings did happen. However, there is no major change in open interest, which clearly means no major positional thing has happened. Now take a look at Nifty. Interestingly, the highs of yesterday were very close to the previous highs. So in case markets fail to go above yesterday's highs, it will make something like a double top chart pattern, plus yesterday's gravestone doji would also get confirmed. So it's very crucial and important to watch what happens. For Nifty, it's very important to sustain above 11,300 levels. So I would suggest wait for any dips to buy either approximately around 11,100 to 200 levels, or buy on a breakout above 11,300. In between, avoid. It's trading above both 20 and 200 days moving average. That's perfectly fine. MACD, RSI both are negative. However, MACD has started giving some recovery hopes because it's now approaching the signal line. In case it goes above the signal line, markets will again turn bullish. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, is comparatively weaker. 20 and 50 days moving average are contracting. There are two things. Number one, in yesterday's AGR review with Supreme Court, I don't think there was any clarity on how is it going to happen. Banks were very much waiting for this because all the telecom companies owe a lot of amount to, especially Vodafone Idea owes a lot of amount to the leading banks. So unless and until there won't be any clarity on it, it will be difficult for the banks to sustain and to perform in coming future. So keep an eye on two prices. That's 20 days moving average around 21,950 and 50 days moving average around 21,580. So basically 21,500 to 21,900 is very crucial. So in this trading range, either try to buy around the bottoms or above the breakout. Don't jump in between. So I'll just quickly sum it up for you. Volatility is cooling off. Nifty will be decisive only above yesterday's highs or lows. Till then, avoid taking any directional bets. In case you have to take a directional bet, go long, but stay hedged. Auto index performing well, the trend likely to continue. Find buying opportunities on dips. Energy index again consolidating around 20 days moving average. So keep and watch on Reliance. If index sustains above 15,300, you can ask for trades on real-time basis because both Nifty and Reliance are kind of consolidating. They have not yet shown another range or another rally, another leg of rally, you can say. So unless and until there are any signals of new leg of rally going to initiate, I will suggest wait for dips to purchase. Don't buy in between. IT once again looks bullish. However, currently IT is extremely deviated from 20 days moving average quite far. So even a small correction and dip could be a deep one. But still, markets would still remain positive. So in case you have IT positions, I'll suggest keep either booking partial profits, or every time you get a high, try to do some hedging, try to write some options that will keep you safe in case of volatility comes into the markets. Metals are buy, but they may undergo profit booking as well. So be precautious on metals. Initiate longs only after getting confirmed that metal index is sustaining above 2180 levels. This should be stop loss for any metal long position. Pharma, go ahead, find buying opportunities. Again, yesterday's volumes were below average. So there are two things. One, two very important candlestick patterns may develop in case yesterday's lows are broken on closing basis. So that's extremely bearish. Number two, this entire movement was not supported by volume. So these are two things to keep in mind, that don't go aggressive. We don't have any clarity on the direction. So wait and watch till today's session. Keep your eyes and ear open. Manage your positions accordingly. Keep your risk lower unless and until markets close above yesterday's highs or lows. It's very crucial. So that would be all in today's session. Wish you all a very happy trading day. Abhishek Raj signing off. Stay healthy, stay wealthy.